Start letting them down. Did we find out whether he had it? Officer Thomas, does Mr. Montero have a lawyer?
I do not recall that, Your Honor. Let me look. I have his.
Oh yeah, you said Carpenter. You said Carpenter.
I don't have any record of one.
Okay, very good. Sergeant Reed, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Oh, very well. Who are you here for?
Mr. Gilbert. G. Gilbert.
Gilbert. Geneva Gilbert, Mrs.
Yeah.
Gilbert. Her
Yes,
attorney
yes,
is in, or do you have an issue working it out with the attorney, or do you want to speak with the city attorney first?
No, we can work it out.
Join the room. Counselor Masaria, good morning to you. Counselor Taylor, good morning to you.
Morning, Judge.
Counselor Masaria, who is your client?
I've got two pretrials up today. The first one is Anthony Love.
He's here. Do you
The
need
second, I'm sorry.
Uh-huh.
The second one's Jose Godoy Bermudez, and he requires a Spanish interpreter.
Both of them are here. All right.
Perfect.
I'm going to start letting them in.
Thank you, Judge.
And we have Ms. Villaruiz here as well, so we can get going.
I'm here.
Sergeant Reed,
Yes, sir.
are you guys working out?
Yeah, we worked it out, sir.
All right, you ready? You're free to leave. If what's the deal?
She said she won't do it again, so I gave her a break, so we're gonna dismiss it.
Very good. All right, be good, Sergeant Reed. Be safe.
Thank you, sir.
All right. All right, it's on you.
Good morning. The
Good
Honorable
morning.
Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions and mute your devices. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Buenos días a todos y bienvenidos a la sala del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras estemos en sesión, le pedimos a todos, por favor, que no estén manejando, que no estén ni comiendo, tomando, fumando. Pedimos que estén vestidos adecuadamente para la corte, como que estuvieran aquí en persona. También les pedimos que no tengan la cabeza tapada, ni con gorra, cachucha, pañuelo, a menos que sea por razones religiosas. Gracias y bienvenidos.
All right, good morning, everyone. I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Buenos días a todos. Voy a tratar de llamar a los casos de la manera más rápida y eficiente posible. También voy a llamar a los casos en el orden que se han registrado esta mañana.
Miss Villarreal, good morning to you. Are we ready, Miss Williams Law?
Yes, sir.
Miss Villarreal, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter, C3822.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Well, let's go start with this is the city of Detroit versus Jalen Cortez Legs. Case number SP 1117137, counts 1 and counts 3, SP 186363321. Mr. Legs, good morning to you. State
Good
your name
morning.
for the record.
Jalen Legs.
All right, day of date and time is set for a review. You were supposed to pay. I don't see any money.
I didn't have it this month. I mean last month, son.
Well, what month do you plan on having it?
I was supposed to have it last week to put something on there. Things went bold. On the job, on the housing job.
All right. Let me, I'm gonna give you one more month. I allowed you to, I'm gonna give you one more month. Hopefully things don't go bold this month, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on, September the 8th, 2026. Did I say allow payment plan?
Yeah.
I said that,
Yes, sir.
and they went that bold that you couldn't even get into a payment plan.
I did. I put something on there last month.
Get into a payment plan. So when you gotta come down here, and I'll see it on the screen that you came down here, they got you into the payment plan, and you won't have to deal with me anymore.
I know, sir. I went to the kiosk.
No, you have to come down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan.
Yes, sir.
All right. Be safe on September 8th, 2026. Be
Okay,
safe.
man.
Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, Sean.
Thank you.
Yes, brother.
City of Detroit versus Deontay East Green, case number SP 6388282. I'm gonna strike that. Call that SP 6388282 and 194599121. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Deontay East Green.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a Raymond on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we will waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Green, Mr. Berry's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right? We'll pass the matter. Mrs. Harris, Mr. Garcia Cotto was supposed to be here yesterday. This is the city of Detroit. He needs an interpreter. City of Detroit versus Alex Omar Garcia Cotto. Case number SP 1926335, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 192633361. Appearance for the record, please.
May I have that second case number, Your Honor?
SP 192633361.
Alexander Omar
Garcia Cotto.
Garcia Cotto. Thank you, Your
It
Honor.
just says
I don't
Axel.
Axel. Thank you, Your Honor. I don't have a docket before me. Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Axel Omar García Cotto. Números de caso SP 1926335 y SP 1926361. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of the defendant.
Buenos días, su señoría. Buenos días al personal. Quien habla es la abogada Cherika Harris, número P72832, representando al acusado.
All right. Today is the date and time. We'll say it's set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Así que este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado. Vamos a decir que es para la orden de arresto.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para el proceso de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
Well, you know, not guilty plea in your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y darle una fianza de $0.
Improper plates unregistered, untitled, no insurance misdemeanor, and student unaccompanied, all misdemeanors.
Todos estos cargos que él tiene son delitos menores y hay 4 que no tenía registración, no tenía seguro de vehículo, estudiante sin tener al licenciado al lado de él y placas incorrectas.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Garcia Cotto with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Lo vamos a pasar usted ahora, señor García Coto, a una sala privada de consulta. Usted va a poder hablar con su abogada, la señora Harris, y ella va a tratar de conseguirle usted una oferta de resolución actualizada. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución, usted tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte la invitación donde dice join o unirse, por favor.
Let's pass the matter. Let's find out who's on that iPhone I just let in the room. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Elante Moore.
Elante, you were supposed to be here yesterday too.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, you were supposed to be here yesterday too.
Oh, I thought mine was today. I even wrote it down for the 5th.
I thought it was yeah, today is the 6th, right? Yeah. You had the right day, but you.
Oh man.
All right. Lou Fidel Lucci. All right, very good. Now bring him in. All right, on the iPhone I just let in the room, can you unmute yourself? I mean, start your camera, sitting in the passenger seat. What's your name, sir?
Randy Langford.
Randy Langford?
Yes, sir.
What's wrong? All right, good morning to you, Mr. Langford.
Good morning.
Morning, Mr. Were you on that phone, one of those phones?
He was.
The 772 number was you?
Yeah, that's my phone number.
Yeah, that's good.
772-136.
On the telephone at 313-623-1573. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Alex B. Griffin.
Mr. Say that again.
Mr. Griffin is our in-person who's up.
Alex Griffin. Good morning to you, Mr. Griffin.
Thank you.
All right, Alex Griffin, he's set for trial. I'm gonna give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. He can hang up the phone and come in here for a while. He's got a minute. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want, Mr. Green?
Yes, Your Honor.
Come back on the 27th of August at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Nancy Liggins. Case number SP 1724934, counts 1, SP 1753663, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood,
I'm right here.
Elwood
Can
S.
you see
Berry
me?
Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Liggins.
Nancy Liggins.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Why don't I see Ms. Liggins on the docket?
Is there, let me.
Oh, yeah. All right, for arraignment on the bench warrant, purposes of arraignment, counselor,
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I do have a valid driver's license. She has 2 no insurance misdemeanors and 1 no ops. Ms. Liggins, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Thank you.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. All right. Geneva.
Here, I don't have a copy.
City of, this is the city of Detroit versus Geneva Gilbert. Case number SP 19336591. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Moore,
Yes.
you're here for Geneva. Can you put your appearance on the record for Geneva Gilbert?
Elante Moore?
No, it's a attorney Gregory Moore. All right, no response.
He just turned his camera on.
Oh, did you?
But-
Appearance, you have to unmute yourself.
Okay.
Appearance for the record, please.
Geneva Gilbert.
No, for Taylor, for Mr. Moore.
Gregory Moore, P34437.
Good morning to you, and good morning to you, Ms. Gilbert. Day is date and time set for a formal hearing. Officer Reed was willing to dismiss the case. I'll accept that. Have a very good rest of your day. Case dismissed. Best of luck to you both. Good to see you, Attorney Moore.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
See you soon.
Okay.
Come on back out of retirement. They need you.
All right, thank you. All right.
I recognize.
All right.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Yep. Attorney Frank Massaria, are you ready on anyone?
I'm ready on Anthony Love.
City of Detroit versus Anthony Love, case number U 744-37726, SP 191-57751. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Frank Massaria, P 87848, on behalf of Mr. Love. Mr. Love, please state your full name for the record.
My name is Anthony Love.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. What's Mr. Love want to do?
We're asking for a bench trial date, Judge.
All right. August the 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
That day works for me, Judge.
Very well, Mr. Love. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Good morning to you, officer.
Good morning.
Your name, please?
Winter.
Winter. And what defendant are you here for?
Miss Lindsay.
Okay, I have you checked in. She hasn't appeared yet, but we'll give her some time.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Massaria, are you ready on anyone else?
No, I need the interpreter. Ooh.
Say that again.
I need the interpreter for the other case, Judge.
We can interpret
For Mr. Godoy Bermudez.
And will you be ready? Are you ready on Godoy Bermudez with the interpreter's help right now?
No, Judge, I need to speak to my client.
Okay, let me go put you in. Is Mr. Taylor there?
Corporal Taylor, Wayne County Sheriff.
No, good morning to you, Corporal Taylor. Good morning to you.
All right, so I
Who
don't.
is your defendant?
Ms. Griggs, Your Honor.
Griggs?
Okay, thanks.
Griggs.
She's here. Let me see. Okay, we can get that going pretty soon.
Your Honor, you didn't.
Attorney Paris, are you there?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Who is your client?
I have Wesley Lewis, Sharnice Gladden, and Randy Langua.
I know Sharnice Gladden is here. I know that.
Yes,
Langford-
Sharnice Gladden's here.
I did not say I know that. And then, good morning to you, Ms. Gladden.
Good morning.
I know Langwa is here. I don't know about,
Mr. Lewis is here. I can see him on the screen.
you said, what's the first name, Lewis?
Wesley.
Yeah, Wesley Lewis is here. Okay, Wesley Lewis was first, Gladden was second, and Langwa was third, but you get them out the way you feel. Do you need breakout rooms?
I do need breakout rooms. May I have co-hosts because I also need to speak to the prosecutor.
You may.
Thank you.
All right, so Wesley Lewis, you will go to breakout room. Good morning to you. You'll go to breakout room 7. Ms. Gladden, you'll go to breakout room 8. And Mr. Langwa, you'll go to breakout room 9. Good morning to all three. Mr. Vassal Johnson, good morning to you.
Morning, Judge.
Who's your client?
Alex Griffin?
Alex Griffin?
Yes.
Okay, he's here. He's in person. Do you need a breakout room with him?
Yes.
All right, you got to sign back on now, Mr. Griffin. So just sits like that. And that, is that the only one?
Yes, it is.
All right. We'll get him in a breakout room and get him an advice of rights if we don't have one in the file.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
Have you heard of a good
you're gonna have to go put some more clothes on. You can't come up in here with the tank top on. Good
I'm
morning
sorry.
to you, Mr. Gooden.
Okay, I'm sorry. I apologize.
I have you checked in, Mr. Gooden.
Okay.
Did you have something for me?
He's on now, Judge.
So her doesn't have another quorum. Yeah. I give him till 10. So he's gonna give it till 10 to show up.
Okay.
Thanks. Mr. Griffin, good morning to you.
Good morning.
I'm gonna put you in the breakout room number, and Mr. Johnson is gonna come see you, okay?
Okay.
Just sit tight in that breakout room until Mr. Johnson comes and see you.
Okay.
That's breakout room 10, Mr. Johnson.
Thank you.
On the iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself? Start your camera and state your name, please. I'm sorry, I stopped it.
What the heck? Tony Geiger.
Tony Geiger, good morning to
Yes,
you,
Your
Mr.
Honor.
All right, everybody that is set for trial, unless the officer appears already, which Miss Griggs will get you going in momentarily, but everyone else, I'm giving the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If the officer don't appear, we'll get you out of here. If the officer appears, we'll get you in with an attorney, okay?
Thank you.
Good
That
morning.
includes you, Mr. Gooden.
All right, thank you. Good morning, Mr. Nelson.
Officer Nelson, good morning to you. You probably have another courtroom you need to check into, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, I got you checked in. Just make sure you come back as soon as you can, please.
Absolutely.
Thank you. The other officers, you can join the breakout room if you choose to. If not, you can stay in the main session. And we're just waiting on an attorney. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Liggins. Ms. Liggins, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, all matters are to be dismissed.
Okay, Ms. Liggins, I'm going to dismiss your cases for, per city attorney. There was nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck
Thank
to you.
you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Deanna Dolores Griggs, case number C572285, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Griggs.
Deanna Griggs.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Corporal Taylor, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please? Corporal Taylor, Wayne County Sheriff. Good morning to you. Can you badge number, department for the record? And please, okay, you have your camera on. Go ahead. State your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Yes, Wayne County Sheriff Corporal Taylor, badge number 1150.
All right. Today is the date and time. It is set for a trial. I'm going to put you, Ms. Griggs, in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to work this out. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer that he gets you, today is the date and time set for the trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
And I don't know where the city is, Corporal Taylor, but we'll see what when they come in. Well, let's pass the matter. Go ahead. Good morning to you, Mr. Carpenter. You have Mr. Montero?
I have Daisha Lindsay for today.
That's the only one?
Yes.
Lopez, is that Lopez Montero?
I'll call, but that's what I had written down there. So I'll.
Oh, I see. That's Attorney Whitey's client. That's all.
All right. Can you get Whitey in here?
Yeah, I can get Whitey.
All right. And Lindsay has not appeared, but the officer has.
Okay. I anticipate there might be a trial in it today. I don't know yet.
Well, go ahead. I'm glad you let me know.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Miss Medina, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning.
Who is your client?
Mr. Ortiz Roblero, and he is present here at my office with me, Judge. The last time we were here, I was to request discovery. I haven't received that, so I'll likely need another date. But if you want me to speak to the city attorney, I will, just to touch base.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Can we call Miss Horn or whoever the city attorney's office? Let's get them in here ASAP, please. All right, we're waiting on an attorney. Alante Moore. She's here now. Is she coming? You don't think she's coming in? Huh?
It's fine. She said on the way.
Did Mr. Moore do his community service? Who are you supposed to do the community service with, Mr. Moore?
The pastor
Who did you
Second
go
Chance
through?
Church.
Who did you go through? Our community service, or did you go through Mr. Mr. Phillips?
The guy at the Southwest place you sent me to.
Okay. Let me see if he's on the list.
I know I have to do 8 hours. I just have 8 hours to do left.
So you haven't finished?
No, I haven't finished.
This has been 3 months ago, right?
Yes.
So why haven't you finished 12 hours of community service in 3 months?
Remember I was telling you I'm the one. My son. I have a lot of appointments with my son. And I literally work all day. I work with elderly people, taking them to their appointments and stuff every day. So as soon as I get off work, I gotta take my son to his appointments and stuff like that. So literally, I be backed up bad.
All right, I'll put a show cause on there. I'll put it a review for next month on the 2nd of September. All right. The one case was, so I dismissed the one case because I gave you credit. He said you did 12. So I don't know how many you've done. He's got down here you did 12. We appreciate the 12. So come back on September 2nd. Don't miss the date. September 2nd, all right?
I'm gonna write that down right now. And
All right.
yes, I just have 4 hours to do. And thank you once again.
Well, you had 30 in a total. All right. So you're saying, well, you know, all right. Be safe out there. Best of luck to you, okay?
And that was September 2nd?
September 2nd. Make sure you confirm with Mr. Phillips that you're on this list for I'll get credit for all the hours that you've done.
Yes, sir.
All right. Be safe.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor.
We have attorneys on 4, and then Corporal Taylor We called Griggs. Mr. Berry is waiting on you to speak with you about our offer for Griggs, and Corporal Taylor's in the main session.
Okay, thank you.
Well, morning.
Stop by to say hello.
Good morning to you. How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm all right.
Who got my license back?
Yes, long time ago.
I talked to Todd. I told him.
All right, good.
You been good, Sean?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. What's your name? You got your attorney was here.
I didn't see him, but I did text him, tell him I was running a couple minutes late, and I was just sitting out there. I didn't know I could come right in.
You're always welcome.
Her attorney is.
Carpenter.
Oh, attorney Carpenter.
The officer is here as well. I wonder we're gonna hear the story about either how the officer was completely wrong or how Miss Lindsay was cutting up out there. That's one of the two. We're about to hear that. I like those. It's always interesting.
It's always very interesting.
We're gonna hear one of the two. That's it. The officer was completely wrong. They wrote me this ticket unjustly. Or she was out there cutting up.
Attorney Carpenter's her?
Yeah, Attorney Carpenter. Are we ready on Godoy?
Yes, Judge.
¿Estamos listos para el caso de Godoy? Sí, su señoría.
City of Detroit versus Jose Godoy Bermudez, case number SP 1913666, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Regresamos ahora al caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra José Godoy Bermúdez, números de caso SP 1913666, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Attorney Frank Masseria, P. 87848, on behalf of Mr. Godoy Bermudez.
El abogado Frank Massaria, número de abogado P 87848, representando al señor Godoy Bermúdez.
Okay, today is the date and time set, and Mr. Godoy Bermudez, this morning, you state your name for the record, please.
Buenos días, este es el día y es la hora que habíamos fijado para esta audiencia. Y señor Godoy Bermúdez, ¿puede usted por favor decir su nombre para que conste en el acta?
José Adonai Godoy Bermúdez.
Jose Adonai Godoy Bermudez.
All right, today is the date and time, and it's set for a pretrial. What does Mr. Godoy Bermudez want to do?
Así que este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta previa al juicio. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué quiere hacer el señor Godoy?
We're asking for a bench trial date, Judge.
Estamos pidiéndole, su señoría, que nos den una fecha para regresar para un juicio.
Okay, the trial date will be August the 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Muy bien, entonces la fecha para juicio sin jurado va a ser el 27 de agosto del 2026 a las 9 de la mañana.
Thank you, Judge.
Gracias,
All
su
right, if there's
señoría.
nothing-
Gracias.
If there's nothing further, have a
Thank
very
you.
good rest of your day. Best of luck to you both.
Y si no tiene algo que agregar, le deseamos buena suerte a ustedes dos y que disfruten del resto de su día.
Have a
Muchas
good day.
gracias, igual.
Thank you so much. I wish you the same.
And Judge, I did give Attorney Reese Carpenter a heads up that his officer is there in person, so hopefully he'll be down there soon for you.
Okay, thank you so much.
He's in the
Have a good
hall.
Officer Stewart, good morning to you.
Good morning,
What is
Your
your
Honor.
defendant's name?
His last name's Green. His, let me see.
I don't have a green today.
It says Stephen Darrell Green, Sean Perkins, 9 a.m.
Let me
I
get
have
a case number, please.
SP 186-29431.
The 13th, it moved. It moved from today to the 13th for some reason. I don't know why. The 13th of August. Be safe. Have a
you,
great
sir.
day.
All right.
Yeah, no problem. iPhone 5, good morning to you. Are they hung up? Let's go back on the record with Ms. Griggs. Ms. Griggs, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to allowing for the driving while license suspended, the expired plates matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes,
Where are you? I can't see.
yes. Sorry.
You're adding up. You keep on adding up fines. Pardon me?
I'm sorry.
Keep adding up fines and you're not paying them.
I'm paying them one by one.
And you add them one by one. Raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
yes,
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
yes,
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
yes,
You understood those rights?
yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No,
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
yes,
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
no.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 7th, 2026 at around 5:23 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7 Mile and Schaefer. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Wayne County Sheriff?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And you didn't even think that the sheriff could pull you over and give you a ticket, did you?
Yes.
You knew that?
Yes.
All right. Well, I'll find her guilty of the amended count of allowing. What do you want to do, ma'am? This is adding up and you're not getting anywhere. Do you want to do some community service or to clear this stuff up?
Yes, that'd be fine.
I mean, we got a whole lot of hours of community service to clear all this stuff up.
That's fine.
Do you want to do community service to clear everything up?
Yes, that's fine.
Yeah, where's she at? She, and, sure. Right, you still follow her? You still follow?
Who is that? Stop talking, please.
¿Quién está hablando? Por favor, deje de hablar.
$150.
Okay.
You want to do that?
Yes, that's fine.
All right, I'm gonna ask you to put your name, your telephone number in the chat so I can get, I'm gonna send you a message. You can send me a chat back with your telephone number. I'm gonna refer the matter to community service.
Okay.
Most of this stuff, the misdemeanors, most of them will be dismissed upon completion.
Okay, so this is for everything, correct?
Everything.
Everything. Okay.
Come back, in next month. We'll see what kind of progress you have and I'll knock them off. As many as you give me, it'll go again, it'll go give you credit toward each one of the cases. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that community service coordinator, Ms. Shelton, or somebody on her staff. I'm gonna give you her number anyway, so that you can potentially, if they don't reach out to you, then you can call them. The number is 313-965-8130.
965.
313-965-8130. And they should call you though. If you don't hear from them in a week or so, get back with us. Come back on September 8th. We'll see what kind of progress you've made. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you. You as well.
All right, Corporal Taylor, be safe. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Katrina Gardner. Case number, strike that. It's the state of Michigan versus Katrina Gardner. Case number SX47130181. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gardner.
Katrina Gardner.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia Cotto. Mr. Garcia Cotto, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvamos ahora en el acta con el caso del señor García Coto. Señor García Coto, le dio usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame qué van a hacer, abogado.
My client is going to enter a plea to 2 counts of improper plates.
Mi cliente va a presentar una declaración a 2 cargos de llevar las placas incorrectas.
All right, you want to take the deal, Mr. Garcia Cotto?
Y señor García Coto, ¿usted quiere aceptar esta oferta de resolución?
Sí.
Yes.
And he is hopeful to start a payment plan, Your Honor.
Y él espera poder comenzar un plan de pago, su señoría.
Raise your right hand, please.
Levante la mano derecha, por favor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Juro que o declara solemnemente que voy a decir la verdad,
Sí.
toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad. Yes.
You have to wait till she finishes interpreting, please.
Usted necesita esperar a que la señora termine de traducirle. Por favor.
Mr. Garcia Cotto, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y señor García Coto, ¿comprende usted que la penalidad máxima en estos casos pudieran ser 93 días en la cárcel máximo y o una multa máxima de $500? ¿Comprende usted eso?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de ir a juicio si usted lo quisiera.
Sí.
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Y la señora Harris revisó con usted sus otros derechos constitucionales cuando estaban en la sala privada de consulta, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted comprendió sus derechos?
Más o menos, sí.
More or less, yes.
Well, you have to you should completely understand them.
Bueno, usted necesita haberlos comprendido completamente.
What didn't you understand about them?
¿Qué usted no entendió?
No entendí muy bien cómo sería pues, o sea, digo que no entendí más o menos por lo de la penalidad y todo eso, cómo sería el proceso.
Well, I didn't understand. I didn't understand completely what the process would be for fines.
Oh, well, we haven't gotten there yet.
Pues no hemos llegado a ese punto todavía.
Do you understand the rights that Ms. Harris went over with you?
Pero usted comprendió los derechos que la señora Harris revisó con usted.
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up.
¿Y sabe usted que al aceptar esta oferta de resolución, usted renuncia a esos derechos?
No sabía.
I did not know.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado en el acta?
No.
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to June the 30th, 2026 at around 1:56 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Wesson and Michigan. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Entonces, permíteme recordarle la fecha del 30 de junio del 2026, aproximadamente a la 1:56 en la tarde, en la ciudad de Detroit, cerca de las calles de Wesson y Michigan. ¿Tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del departamento de policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
No.
No.
Ms. Harris?
Señora Harris.
He said he
Yes,
didn't
Your
have
Honor.
contact with the Detroit Police Department on that day.
Él nos dijo que él no tuvo contacto con el departamento de policía ese día.
No.
I'll just take him back in the breakout room.
Vamos a
you.
regresar entonces a la sala privada de consulta. Gracias.
All right.
Appears we lost Ms. Gardner.
We have some people in the. On the Samsung, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera? I'm sorry, I stopped your camera. Start your camera and state your name, please.
I'm sorry, this is Katrina Garden. The phone had disconnected when you tried to put me in the break room.
All right. You need to go back in the breakout room with Ms. Gardner.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. On the telephone at 947-992-997-1016. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Officer Styles.
Officer Styles?
Styles.
Styles. Okay, Officer Styles, if Erica Lee is here, so you're going to have to find a way to join so Miss Lee can see.
I keep trying to join the Zoom. I was actually in the wrong one, but the one that I did try to join, it was saying something else. So I ended up I had contacted the wrong courtroom.
Okay. Well, see if you can try. Miss Lee is here, and the reason why I say that is Miss Lee has a right to face her accuser. So I'll put you in the breakout room, and you can see if Miss Foreign can help you out.
Okay.
And on the Zoom user, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? I'm sorry.
It's Laquita Gill.
Laquita Gill.
Yes.
Good morning to you, Miss Gill.
Good morning. Okay.
Are we ready on Cotto?
¿Estamos listos para el caso Cotto?
Ready, Your Honor.
Lista, su señoría.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Cotto. Mr. Cotto, I've given you an opportunity. Do you understand what's going on now, sir?
Así que volvamos ahora de nuevo con el caso del señor Cotto. Así que, señor Cotto, ¿ya usted ha entendido lo que está sucediendo?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Cotto, did you have contact with the Detroit Police Department around that date and that time in that area?
Así que, señor Cotto, dígame, ¿es cierto que usted tuvo contacto con el Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit ese día, para esa hora?
And Your Honor, if I may, did you have contact with a police officer that
Si me
day?
permite, su señoría. Dígame, señor, ¿tuvo usted contacto con un policía ese día?
Sí.
Yes.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Iba usted manejando un vehículo motorizado?
Sí.
Yes.
Whose 2009 Nissan was that? Was that a 2009 Nissan?
¿Y a quién le pertenece ese carro que es Nissan del 2009? ¿Es el carro suyo?
Lo había recién comprado, sí.
I had just recently purchased it. Yes.
All right. And that didn't have the proper plate on that vehicle, did it?
Y no llevaba la placa correcta ese vehículo, ¿no es cierto?
La persona que me lo vendió no me dio ese tipo de información si eran correctas o no, simplemente me lo vendió así y dijo que todo estaba bien Y cuando yo intenté luego del suceso buscar la persona, no me apareció donde yo había comprado el vehículo, que fue un punto medio donde fue el acuerdo.
Well, the person who sold me the car sold it to me that way and told me that everything was okay, didn't tell me that anything was incorrect. And then when I went back to try to find this individual, I couldn't.
Okay, but you didn't put the plate on the vehicle. That wasn't your plate on that vehicle, that you didn't get it registered through the Secretary of State, did you?
Pero usted no puso esa placa en ese vehículo. No fue la placa suya que usted puso en ese vehículo. Usted no trató de conseguir con la Secretaría del Estado esa placa.
No, porque me la dieron así. Yo no hice ningún proceso para conseguir esa placa ni nada por el estilo. El vehículo
No,
¿sabes?
momento. No, because it was given to me that way. I didn't make any effort to try to get that particular plate.
Are you satisfied, counselor?
¿Queda usted satisfecha, abogada?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
All right, the court is satisfied. I'm gonna find you guilty as charged to the improper plate, and I'm gonna find you guilty to the amended count of improper plate for not having the valid registration.
Muy bien, entonces acepto su declaración de culpable, tal como ha sido acusado de tener placas incorrectas, y también encuentro que usted es culpable al cargo modificado de tener placas incorrectas y no tener registración.
Sí.
Yes.
All right, I'll cut you a break on the fine. I'll fine you 240. I won't fine you for the other one. 240.
Le voy a dar aquí una oportunidad, no le voy a dar unas multas tan altas como pudiera, tan solo le voy a dar la multa por uno de los cargos, no por los dos. Así que le pido $240 en multas.
Okay.
En multas. Ok.
When can you pay it?
¿Y para cuándo pudiera usted pagar esta cantidad?
Podría pasar que mi día libre en sí sería martes.
Well, my day off is Tuesday.
You gonna pay it Tuesday?
¿Usted lo va a pagar todo el martes?
Sí.
Your Honor, he was asking for a payment plan originally.
Su señoría, originalmente ella estaba pidiendo un plan de pagos.
Sounds like he's got the money on Tuesday. You gonna pay it all off on Tuesday?
Bueno, me parece que él está diciendo que él va a tener el dinero el martes. Señor, ¿usted lo va a pagar todo el martes?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna, are you gonna come down to the courthouse and pay it?
¿Y usted va a venir en persona a la corte para pagarlo?
Sí, puedo ir.
Yes, I can go in.
All right, then come up Tuesday morning after you pay it, and we will close the matter out, okay?
Entonces el martes, después que usted lo haya pagado aquí en la corte, suba aquí a mi piso, a esta sala, para que podamos confirmar que usted lo pagó.
Okay.
Okay.
All right,
Can
if there's
I
nothing
take him
further,
in the-
sir, have a very.
I just want to ask him a question in the breakout room, Your Honor, just based on our discussions, me telling him to come to the court for a payment plan and him now saying this. I want to make sure he understands.
Bueno, su señoría, permíteme hacerle una pregunta a él, porque anteriormente habíamos hablado de él venir en persona a la corte para un plan de pagaré, pero ahora él está diciendo que lo va a pagar en su totalidad.
All right, rejoin the room.
Muy bien, así que vuelvan y regresen a la sala privada de consulta.
Past the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gardner. Ms. Gardner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel. Her number is in the chat.
Yeah, that's what you want, Ms. Gardner?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial date for August the 27th at 8:30. That date is set to make sure that that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If that appointed attorney does not contact you before that date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date. I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize, okay?
Okay.
All right,
August
Ms.
the
Gardner, if there's
27th.
nothing further, pardon me,
You said August 27th, right?
27. If it's nothing further, Ms. Gardner, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Donna Marie Gray. Case number SP 1903527-1, SP 1903228, counts 1 and 2 and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gray.
Donna Gray.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. There is a allegation of violation of the dealer plate or historical plate and a 16 to 20 over that went along with this. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer, Ms. Gray. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Yes.
Join the, we'll pass the matter. Mr. Cotto, you have to go join the room. Are we ready on Cotto?
We are all set, Your Honor.
¿Listo con Coto? Sí, ya estamos listos. Su
All
señoría.
right. We're back on the record with Mr. Cotto. Mr. Cotto, are you gonna come down Tuesday and pay it off?
Así que volvemos en el acta con el caso del señor Coto. Señor Coto, díganos, ¿usted va a venir el martes a pagarlo todo?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, we'll see you Tuesday morning. Be safe. Have a very good rest of your day.
Así que yo lo veo a usted martes en la mañana. Manténgase seguro y que tenga buen día.
Muchas gracias igualmente. Dios los bendiga.
Thank you very much and same to you and may God bless you.
You as well. Thank you.
Usted también, gracias.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jeremy Clayton Glenn, case number SP 192522911. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Jeremy Clayton Glenn.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. Mr. Glenn, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Was there a request for an attorney, Your Honor?
No, there wasn't. We'll pass the matter. Mr. Whitey, we're having issue with your client testing. It is indicated to the court that he tested, but his last court date, they have not seen him since then. So we have to, I can get probation back down here to speak on that, but we have a problem with that.
Okay, fair enough.
We do have an interpreter here, Mr. Lopez Montero. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 5. Mr. Whitey's gonna come see you, and the interpreter, Madam Interpreter, will be able to go to breakout room 5 as well.
Señor López Montero, lo vamos a pasar virtualmente a la sala número 5.
He's in there.
Oh, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Mr.
And
Johnson,
Your Honor,
are you ready? Go ahead, Ms. Horn.
Your Honor, on Erica Lee, the people are moving for dismissal per Officer Stiles.
All right, you spoke to Officer Stiles?
I did, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you.
Well, she got a Christmas gift in July. It's August now. You're looking for that Christmas gift in August too, aren't you? All right. Anyone else ready?
Ready, Judge.
All right. Let me get, that's Mr. Griffin, okay? This is called the City of Detroit versus Erica Denise Lee. Case number SP 191-40781, SP 191-40531, SP 191-40782. State your name for the record, Ms. Lee.
Erica Lee.
Our day is date and time set for trial. Your case is dismissed per city attorney if there's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much, Judge. And Attorney Barry?
All right, there's Attorney Barry. I think he's busy doing his helping, trying to get that other Christmas gifts for other August. All right.
Appreciate
All right.
you.
I know Lank was not driving a car, is he?
No, sir. No, sir.
He's wishing he was driving. He probably don't even have a license, does he, Mr. Johnson? All right. Dismiss her city. We're going on Mr. We're going with Mr. Griffin. Good morning to you, Mr. Griffin. All right, let's call it. Step up, Mr. Griffin, please. This is the city of Detroit versus Alex Bernard Griffin. Case number SP 1903740, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please court, Vassal Johnson II, P72130, on behalf of Mr. Griffin. He's in the courtroom in person.
He is. Mr. Griffin, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Alex B. Griffin.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial, and Miss Officer Raza was here. What's going to be the outcome, Mr. Johnson?
Pleading responsible to blockading dismissal of the balance.
You'll take that deal, Mr. Griffin?
Yep.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. $175 will dismiss the other cases. When can you pay it, Mr. Griffin?
Well, I'd like to make it payment if I can. To the 14-year-old Jordan that goes get away from school.
Well, that's fine. You need a payment plan? Well, you can make a payment plan anytime. I'll give you a month to settle this up or to get into the payment plan. You can go downstairs today and I think they want 20% to get into a payment plan.
Okay.
All right. So
let's go down to
the window. We'll give you documentation, Mr. Griffin. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. And where's your daughter going to school?
Well, she's about to go to high school now.
All right.
High school.
That's what's up. All right. All right, Mr. Griffin, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you. And you can wait on the paperwork.
Yep.
All right.
Thank you.
Anyone else, Mr. Johnson?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Is that all you had?
Yes, it is.
All right. All right. Have a good day. We'll see you soon.
You too. Thank you.
Mr. Gooden, Judge.
I know. I'm doing the best I can, Mr. Gooden.
I understand. Truly do.
Miss Medina, we're waiting on the interpreter, correct?
I'm not sure you understood. I was able to pre-try this matter and it is being resolved by way of a CI. I have spoken to my client in his primary native language of Spanish and he's given me permission to proceed without him if the court would allow me to.
And who's your client again?
My client is Mr. Ortiz Roblero Eligio.
Mr. Gooden is used to when he says something, people just let him up. And you know how you go to the club and he just show up and they just let him in, go back past everybody. That's what he's used to. Right, Mr. Gooden?
Try not to, Judge. I try not to.
All right, City of Detroit versus Eligo Ortiz Roblero, case number SP 1895782, counts 1, 2, and 3. Well, let's Miss Villarreal is here. Let's let her get paid.
Okay, I will have my client come in, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mejor mañana lo tomo para. O si no lo puedo decir, creo que no lo puedo iniciar.
Miss, all right, the city of Detroit, Miss Villarreal versus Eligio Gio Ortiz Rivero. Sorry if I mispronounced it. Case number SP 1895782, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Eligio Daniel Ortiz Roblero, números de caso SP18957821, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Miss Villarreal, I mean, Miss Medina, your turn.
Señora Medina, su turno.
Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Ortiz Roblero, and I'll have him state his name again.
Sí, habla la abogada Cristal Marie Medina y a mi lado está el señor Ortiz Roblero y le voy a pedir a él ahora que él diga su nombre para que pueda constar en el acta.
You got Ortiz Rivero.
Su nombre, señor.
Nombre es Eligio Daniel Ortiz Roblero.
My name is Eligio Daniel Ortiz Roblero.
Good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time is set for a pretrial. What is the resolution, Miss Medina?
Buenos días, usted, señor. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener en la consulta previa al juicio. Dígame, señora Medina, ¿cuál es la resolución?
Miss Medina?
Señora
Hi.
Medina.
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
Yes.
Sorry, at this time. Go ahead.
¿Me puede oír su señoría? Disculpe. Sí, disculpe.
At this time, Your Honor, I am prepared to plead responsible to speed 1 to 5 on my client's behalf. That is a reduction of the careless driving civil infraction.
Sí, su señoría, en este momento estoy dispuesta a presentar una declaración de responsable de parte de mi cliente al cargo modificado de que iba 1 a 5 millas sobre el límite reducido del cargo original de conducción sin cuidado.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Ortiz Rivero?
Your Honor, would you repeat that for me? I didn't hear you.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Ortiz Rivero?
Y señor Ortiz Roblero, ¿quiere usted aceptar esta oferta de resolución?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Y puede usted estipular que yo puedo depender de lo que dice la boleta de infracción para establecer un fundamento para la declaración de responsable. Así lo estipulo, su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
¿Y puede usted estipular que hay causas razonables para desestimar los otros asuntos?
No stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, su señoría.
All right, with those stipulations, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it, Mr. Ortiz Rivero?
Muy bien, y con estas estipulaciones acepto la declaración de responsable al cargo modificado de que iba de 1 a 5 millas sobre el límite de velocidad. La multa es $125. ¿Para cuándo él pudiera pagar esto, abogada?
He's able to pay right away, but I would ask the court to give 7 days just for it to get put in and him facilitate the payment.
Él puede pagarlo inmediatamente, pero le pido a la corte que le concedan 7 días para alcanzar a pagar.
Pay it by August 14th. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you all, both.
Así que le permite usted hasta el 14 de agosto para que usted alcance a hacer el pago, el monto. Si no tienen alguna otra pregunta o algo que añadir, les deseo muy buen día y buena suerte.
Likewise, Your Honor.
All right. Best of luck
Igualmente,
to you.
su señoría. Muchísima suerte a usted.
Thanks, Judge. I'm working hard.
Y su
Okay,
señoría,
I always
está
are.
trabajando fuertísimo.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Glenn. Mr. Glenn, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We are requesting a trial date, Your Honor.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Mr. Glenn?
Yes.
All right, trial date is going to be August 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Very welcome. City of Detroit versus Irene Gleaton, case number SP 191-65001, SP 191-65011. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Eileen Gleaton.
I'm sorry, my phone was acting stupid. It's Ellen Gleaton.
Ellen Gleaton, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. I don't do bonnets, Miss Gleaton. You don't wear the bonnet to the club, do you? So don't wear it to the court. Don't wear it to the courtroom, ma'am.
Sorry.
All right, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. I'm waiting on the probation officer, Mr. Whitey. Miss Paris, let's get Wesley Lewis.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm ready.
City of Detroit versus Wesley Ulysses Deco Lewis. Case number in the state of Michigan versus Wesley Ulysses Deco Lewis. Case number SX3760771. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sania Paris, P88615, here on behalf of Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, please state your full name.
Wesley Ulysses Deco Lewis.
Good morning to you, sir. Day's date and time is set for a pretrial. What does Mr. Lewis want to do?
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, we are requesting a continued pretrial date because there are concerns regarding Mr. Lewis's competency to stand trial. He does have a competency evaluation scheduled by Third Circuit Court for an unrelated criminal matter that is on September 3rd, with the hearing for that evaluation on September 24th. So we would be just looking for a date after that time frame so that we will know how to proceed in this matter.
Come back October the 5th, Mr. Lewis, at 8:30. October the 5th. If it's nothing further, Mr. Lewis, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Oh, you're welcome. You're free to leave, Mr. Lewis. City of Detroit versus Sharnice Gladden. Case numbers SP and the state of Michigan versus Sharnice Gladden. Case number SP 189-79311. XP 189-80831, SP 191-9193, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3, and SX 46795-481. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sania Paris, P88615, here on behalf of Ms. Gladden. Ms. Gladden, please state your full name.
Sharnice Gladden.
Good morning to you, Ms. Gladden. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. You want another pretrial or a bench trial? Bench trial.
A bench trial date, please, Your Honor.
All right. Trial date will be August 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Okay, Ms. Gladden?
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Randy Lankworth. Case number SP 180-41721. SP 180, strike that, SP 191-4654, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sania Paris, P88615, here on behalf of Mr. Lankwood. Mr. Lankwood, please unmute yourself and state your full name.
Randy Erwin Lankwood.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. You want a trial date as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
August the 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lankwood, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank
All
you.
right, have a, thank you. Welcome. Is that it, Ms. Paris?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. And you have a great day.
Yeah, you have a better one. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Gleaton. Ms. Gleaton, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel, and you have proper documentation now, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, provided, valid, dot, and she's got a beautiful head of hair, and she wants to cover it up with a bonnet.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. All right, if there's nothing further, just not all right in here. If there's nothing further, I'm going to dismiss your cases, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Best
You
of luck
too.
to you.
Thank you.
Now, Ms. Harris drew the short straw. This is the case. This is the one everybody's been trying to avoid. This is the city of Detroit versus DeLorean Anthony Love. Case number SP 1001061 and 2, SP 1176951, SP 1215016, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1217494, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1247763, 2, SP 130345533, SP 1542637, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1542961, 1, SP 1545964, counts 1, SP 1603581, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1637010, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1637081, SP 1653954, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1660265, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1742697, counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3, SP 189193111, SP 989652, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 9970252, 18446183, counts 1 and counts 2, and 20721506, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Love. Please state your name for the record.
Did he leave?
Hold on. Oh, here I go. Yes, DeLorean Love.
For purposes
good
of
morning.
arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
All right, y'all enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Love, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Emiliano Lopez Montero, case number Z8100931. Appearance for the record, please.
Vamos a llamar ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Emiliano López Montero, número de caso Z8100931. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta.
Emiliano Monter López.
Emiliano Montero López.
Your Honor, there's a message for you in the chat with regards to this case.
Su señoría, usted tiene un mensaje por el chat con respecto a este caso en particular.
Oh, no tengo entendido.
All right, we have to pass the matter. We have to pass the matter.
Tenemos que pasar este caso por ahora.
Okay.
Okay.
The whitey left.
Oh.
Thank you, Ms. Harris.
Gracias, señora Harris.
Mr. Taylor, who's your client?
Tony Geiger, Your Honor.
Okay, Tony Geiger is here. Put you in breakout room 6.
Is this the trial date, Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay. We want to know if the officer's here.
No.
We move for dismissal. I'll get her. All right.
Oh, sí, sí, mire que llegó un mensaje y ya, pero sí.
Miss Gill, are you in the hospital?
Yes, I'm okay though.
No, okay, I just wondered what, all right. Let's call the city of Detroit. Where is Tony Geiger?
She should be there, Your Honor. She didn't come out.
She must have gotten fallen off.
Let me go.
On the Sam. On the Samsung device.
I apologize about that, Your Honor. I clicked the wrong leave.
That's all right. City of Detroit versus Tony Marie Geiger, case number SP 1866702, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Appearance for the record for Tony Geiger, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Ms. Geiger. Ms.
Morning,
Geiger?
Ms. Geiger, want to state your name for the record, please?
Tony Marie Geiger.
Day, date, and time is set for a trial. Officer Minyard, hearing no response. Want to make a motion, Counselor?
Move for dismissal, Your Honor.
The case dismissed, Ms. Geiger. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You too, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Taylor.
All right, I'll be in touch. Take care.
All right.
All right. On the Samsung, good morning. What is your name on the Samsung, ma'am?
Love.
Say that again.
Lori Love.
Lori Love.
Mm-hmm.
Spell the first name.
Lori.
What brings you here today?
I believe this is the date I'm supposed to come back. I had a ticket for no registration and proof of insurance, and one was, I guess this, not following a traffic signal. And the last thing that you had said was dismissing the tickets for the no proof of insurance or the plates, and that I was to pay the ticket for the running the red light. I'm thinking this is the day that I'm supposed to have this hearing.
Well, if I said you had to pay the ticket for running the red light, then you would have to pay it, but
Yes, I'm ready to pay that ticket.
it's paying by next week.
Oh, I'm saying, okay, so is my court date today?
No, next week on the 13th. You don't have a court date anymore. You just have to pay it.
Okay, and the other ones are dismissed?
The other ones are dismissed.
Okay, John, can I have that ticket number so I can just call and pay it? So I just pay it and I don't have any more appearances?
You have an ink pen?
Yes, I do.
You still owe some money on these other tickets, but on this ticket is SP 191-96942. SP 191-96942.
How much is that, sir?
That's 130.
Okay.
All right, and then you owe 156 on an old ticket and 291 on an older ticket. So you can come down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan on those if you choose to.
Okay, on those two, so I know, the attorney I was speaking with before, when I did have, last came before you, was saying something about community service. Is that still an option?
Yes, you want to do community service?
Yes, whatever I could, whatever my disability will allow me to do. Certainly. I mean, for the one that's 291, I can pay the 156.
It'll be 18 hours of community service to clear everything up.
Oh, okay, got, so I could pay this one ticket a day and 18 hours of community service will clear up those other two?
If you do the 18 hours of community service, you don't have to pay the ticket.
You mean the old tickets or any of the tickets?
You don't have to pay anything if you do the 18 hours of community service.
Okay, how do I sign up for that?
You just come in and dominate the whole thing on room.
I'm so sorry.
I'm gonna put the number in, send me your number in the chat. I'm gonna send you a chat. Send me your number. I'm gonna give you the number to probation.
Okay.
I'll give you 30 days to do it. September the 8th, 2026. The number is 313-965-8130. You shouldn't have to call them. They should call you. I didn't put refer to community service on that last one. If you send me the number, I can get you out of here.
Okay, where do I submit it?
In the chat.
Okay, well, hold on, don't leave me. How do I get to it?
All right, and you got to figure it out. I gotta go.
Thank you so much.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Donna Gray. Miss Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want, Miss Gray?
Yes, Your Honor.
Come back on August the 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Miss Gray, have a very good rest of your day. Best
Thank
of luck.
you, Your Honor.
Welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Jamal Antonio Logan. Case number.
I'm here.
Good morning. SP 1397951, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Logan.
Jamal Antonio Logan.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for arraignment on the bench warrant. For purposes of arraignment,
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
enter a not guilty plea on client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Logan, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Love. Mr. Love, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he is respectfully requesting permission to pay any reinstatement fees up front and a pretrial date.
I knew you were going to ask that.
Well, thank you.
Are you going to pay this stuff, sir?
I mean, yes, I'm trying.
He's not
Pay
going
all
to
the
pay
ticket.
it.
Well,
He's not going to pay it.
how much is it? How much I can't get no community service?
Mr. Love, please do not speak until the judge motions you to speak, sir. We are on record. Now, out of all these tickets, I see 4 tickets that are affecting him to get clearances here at the 36th District Court. No, 5. That's 5 times 45. Five times 45.
So that's what's that? 225.
5 times 45. What's your math? What's your math like? 225. He got it right.
Yeah, that's what I said. 225.
That reminds me of the movie Fresh. You don't remember Fresh? 5 times 20, 40, 5 times 25. You remember the movie Fresh? You're too young for that too, aren't you? I do. You do? You like that movie, didn't you? I was supposed to get you out of here a long time ago, but you having fun, aren't you, Mr. Lucci? No, I'm just listening. All right. Let's see if he pays it. You have a 225?
I don't get it right now. I pay it.
Huh? Do you have 225?
No, I said I don't get it right now, but I'm gonna get it.
Are you working?
No, I'm going to school.
All right. All right. All right.
So when I got,
go ahead.
no, I'm
Go
gonna say
ahead.
when I got to pay.
As soon as
I
possible.
said what day are you? Okay.
Go ahead.
All right, I'll try to do it as soon as possible.
All right, you have to pay 225. You have to come down to the courthouse and pay it. There's no better way that I can allow you to pay it, but to come down to the courthouse. You pay it, you can potentially set yourself up to get a valid license. Now I'm letting you pay the reinstatement fees up front, but let the record reflect that you're gonna have to pay the whole ticket. I'm only letting you pay the reinstatement fee so that you can potentially get yourself a valid driver's license. Don't come in here and say, this is all the judge said I owed, and he said I just paid those and it's over with. You know the lines. We're not going. We're going to go. And you owe a whole lot of other list of civil infractions that you're going to have to pay. Sometime you're going to have to settle up with the court, but that's between you and the cashier's department downstairs. Pay those. Go to the Secretary of State. I say potentially set you. Let me ask you this: do you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions?
Yes.
All right. So at least he's not one that just runs amok in the city, and when he gets out in the suburbs, he's got 10-2 on the wheel, and he just goes speed limit and all that. He got tickets everywhere, right, Mr. Love? No, he doesn't.
Yes.
All right. Well, you might have to take care of those. You might have to take care of those tickets. I don't know. But you can go to the Secretary of State after you pay these reinstatement fees, attempt to get yourself a valid license. If they don't give you a valid license, then you can ask him for a printout. What does he want to do, Ms. Harris?
Asking for a pretrial date.
The 27th, August the 27th at 8:30. If it's nothing further, Mr. Love, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you. And Ms. Harris probably won't be here on the 27th.
All right.
I probably can't find an attorney for the 27th. Not with all these tickets.
Oh. All right.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day. Let's go call the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Malik Lester, case number SP 1925297, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1925311. Appear for the record, please.
Yeah, my
Chair
name is
Harris.
Lester.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lester, please state your name for the record.
Malik Lester.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
My client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. There's an 11 to 15 over and a no insurance proof. Mr. Lester, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
When you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, let's recall the city of Detroit versus Emilio Lopez Montero, case number Z8100931. Appearance for the record, please.
Volvamos y llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Emiliano López Montero, número de caso Z8100931. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta.
Sí, Emiliano Montero López.
Yes, I am Emiliano Montero Lopez.
And good morning, Your Honor. Dennis Whitey, P79560, on behalf of Mr. Lopez Montero.
Y buenos días, su señoría. Habla Dennis Whitey, número de abogado P79560, representando al señor Montero López.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a, now we've lost the probation department.
Ay, me parece que se nos fue el Departamento de Libertad Condicional.
All right, nobody go anywhere.
No quiero que nadie se vaya a ningún lado.
All right, pass the matter, get probation back down here, please.
Pasamos el caso por ahora y pedimos que regrese el Departamento de Libertad Condicional.
Get
Your
Mr.
Honor,
Lucci,
co-host, please. I'm sorry. Co-host, please, Your Honor.
get Mr. Lucci on the phone so he can speak with the lawyer. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Logan. Mr. Logan, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of an attorney. His number is in the chat.
All right, is that what you want, sir?
Yes.
I'm going to set a pretrial date for August the 27th, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set so that attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date. I just need you to answer the, recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney, okay?
Okay.
All right, if you don't have anything further, sir, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too.
All right. Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Fidel Lucci. Case number SP 1904406, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lucci.
Fidel Lucci.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. Get Mr. Lucci an updated offer. He does have valid insurance. He does have a valid driver's license. He just got to deal with that 11 to 15 over, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, he's in the breakout room. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez Montero. Mr. Lopez, Mr. Officer Thomas, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Volvamos en el acta con el caso del señor López Montero. Señor oficial Thomas, ¿puede usted por favor decirnos su nombre para que conste en el acta?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Joseph Thomas on behalf of the Probation Department.
Buenos días, su señoría. Habla el oficial Joseph Thomas, representando al Departamento de Libertad Condicional.
Right. How you indicated to the court that he had tested before, but he stopped testing.
Usted le había indicado a la corte anteriormente que él se estaba haciendo las pruebas, pero que dejó de hacerse las pruebas.
That is correct, Your Honor. The last test I have from him was July 6th at our lab. He was negative on that test.
Eso es correcto, su señoría. El último comprobante que tenemos que él se presentó por una prueba indica la fecha del 6 de julio. Y sí, esa prueba salió negativa.
So he's missed at least 3 or 4 tests, correct?
Así que él ha faltado de hacerse las pruebas por lo menos de 3 a 4 veces. ¿Es correcto? Si eso es correcto.
That is correct.
Eso es
What's
correcto.
going on, Mr. Montero? Why haven't you tested?
¿Y qué es lo que está sucediendo, señor Montero? ¿Por qué razón usted no ha ido a que le hagan sus pruebas?
Lo que pasa que cuando me mandó el juez a hacerme las pruebas, me dijo que era de corte a corte, haga de cuenta de cuando el momento que estaba en la corte a cuando iba a tener mi corte. Entonces tuve mi corte y ya no me dijo regresa o algo, pero yo estoy dispuesto a seguírmelas haciendo si quiere, porque
Okay,
fue,
the thing is, señor, the thing is that when I was in court, I was told that it would be testing from court date to court date. And my last court date, I was not told to return to have any testing done. But if you want me to continue doing testing, I'm ready.
You're gonna have to test until the court changes your bond or the case is absolved. Have you been drinking?
Señor, usted tiene que continuar a que le hagan las pruebas hasta que el caso se haya terminado o según terminan esa condición de su fianza. Usted,
no, ahora sí que disculpe, yo no sabía eso, yo pensé que de la corte a la corte, nomás para saber que sí cumplí con eso y que estaba limpio
I'm so sorry. I had not understood that. I thought it was from court date to court date. And I didn't get that.
No.
No.
Pero mire, ahorita yo estoy pidiendo permiso para el trabajo un rato ahorita, y si pudiera yo inicio la semana que entra hasta donde termine el juicio, pero deme permiso porque no puedo faltar mucho a mi trabajo.
Yes, and I just asked for permission at work for this hearing. I am at work right now. So I'm asking if you can allow me to appear next week. I can't have a lot of time off because I'm at work.
Judge, just so the court's aware, my client is at a work site that's a ways away. He's appearing remotely. We were going to set today for a bench trial, and I think there was a misunderstanding as to the testing protocol, but he's more than willing to get back on it. He's tested negative, all 3 of his tests, I believe. So I just asked the court's grace in letting him continue that and set this for bench trial.
Sí, su señoría, para clarificar, él se encuentra ahora en el lugar de su trabajo y está lejos de donde estamos nosotros. Nosotros habíamos planeado pedirle a usted una fecha para un juicio sin jurado. Creo que lo que ha ocurrido aquí es un malentendido. Él se había hecho pruebas y 3 veces habían salido negativas las pruebas. Así que le pedimos permiso a la corte que él pueda continuar a hacerse las pruebas y pedimos la fecha para tener un juicio sin jurado.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Mr. I haven't said anything yet. Mr. Thomas, how is he supposed to be tested?
Y señor Thomas, ¿cómo es que están supuestos a hacerle las pruebas a él?
The last time I spoke with him, Your Honor, he did have a friend with him who was kind of helping him translate. I'm wondering if that's where the miscommunication was.
Bueno, la última vez que él estuvo aquí, su señoría, él tuvo un amigo con él que lo ayudó a traducir. Quizás es por eso que tenemos el malentendido.
No, like, what is he? Is he testing an outside agency or is he coming down here to test?
He was
No
supposed
me
to be
refiero
coming.
a si él va a una agencia afuera de la corte o si él viene en persona a la corte a que le hagan las pruebas.
He was supposed to be coming to our drug lab to test.
Él está supuesto a venir a nuestro laboratorio aquí en la corte para que le hagan las pruebas de drogas.
And how was that? Is that on a random basis?
¿Y es al azar que escogen cuando él tiene que venir?
Yeah, I had told him to come back on the one Monday, after I had seen him on a Thursday, and then that was the last time I spoke with him.
Sí, yo lo había visto a él un jueves y le había dicho que él regresara el lunes y creo que esa fue la última vez que yo llegué a hablar con él.
Okay, this is gonna be your one break, sir. I'm gonna chalk it up as you that you didn't understand, but it's the only time I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna I need him to get back testing. So if you need to speak with him in a breakout room now, we'll put you in a breakout room, but I'll give you a trial date on August the 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Bueno, sépase usted, señor, que esta es la única oportunidad que le voy a dar a usted. Creo que fue debido a un malentendido que usted no cumplió, pero tan solo esta vez, una vez que le doy esta oportunidad, usted necesita regresar a que le estén haciendo las pruebas. Si quiere usted pasar a una sala privada de consulta para que pueda hablar con el oficial y el oficial con usted, se puede hacer. Pero sépase que la fecha para el juicio ya es el 27 de agosto del 2026 a las 9 de la mañana.
Ok, muchas gracias y disculpe.
Okay, then
All right,
thank you very much and I'm sorry.
Here, join the breakout room before you leave and speak to Mr. Officer Thomas. And I think we may have one more for you, Ms. Villarreal.
Yes, sir. Señora, sí que vuelve y reúnese a la sala privada de consulta antes de que se vaya para que pueda hablar con el oficial Thomas.
All right, that'll conclude that.
Thank you, Judge.
They will.
Hey, Judge, can you get me out the way?
I am, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, let's go. Elemento page. Elemental page. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lester. Mr. Lester, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a pretrial date and permission to pay any reinstatement fees up front.
There are no reinstatement fees, so pretrial date will be August 27th, 2026 at 8:30, Mr. Lester. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. City of Detroit versus Laquita Karen Gill, case number SP 19256121. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Ms. Gill, I'm trying to get you out the way. State your name for the record, please.
Laquita Gill.
All right, good morning to you. She kind of like she got attitude now, don't she?
No, I don't got no attitude. I couldn't unmute it.
Day is date and time is set for a trial. The officer did appear. Ms. Gill, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Irvin Michael Gooden, case number SP. Okay, SP 186-13021. Mr. Gooden, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Irvin Michael Gooden.
All right, good morning to you. Today is date and time is set for a trial. I'm going to dismiss this case. The officer did not appear. If there's nothing further, you owe the court money, and you still have, I think you got another case out there as well. So if there's nothing further, Mr. Gooden, this case is going to be dismissed, all right?
Now, Judge, I want to ask you a quick question. I missed the court date. Would I be able to see you now for that court date I missed, or do I have to come in?
Let me see. For that OWI case?
Yeah, because I was 5 minutes late, and then they told me just to go downstairs, but the man told me to come back in a couple days at the window.
You're gonna have to go see Judge Jefferson for that.
Oh, because they told me just to come in and come to the window, and I was getting a whole new judge with a whole new date.
You probably won't get that. I don't know. You're gonna have to come down. Matthew Dupree was your lawyer. Call Matthew Dupree.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
That was who your lawyer was for that. You're welcome.
Okay.
Be safe. Good luck to you, sir.
All right.
Miss Villarule, you have Elemental Page. See if that person needs an interpreter. I'm trying to get them to unmute themselves.
Me dirijo ahora al señor Elemento Page. Necesito saber si usted necesita intérprete.
Yeah, hold on.
See you, ma'am. What is your
I'm not
name?
new. Hello? Can you
Good
hear
morning
me?
to you. Yeah, I can hear you. Good morning to you. What is your
Okay.
name?
My name is Elemental Page, but I'm calling for Lionel Lewis. He trying to get in.
Yeah, he's in. He's in.
Oh, he's in? I'm
I'm gonna
sorry.
let him in right now. Thank you, Miss Page. I think his case is supposed to be dismissed anyway.
Okay.
All right, thank you, Miss Page.
You're welcome.
This is the city of Detroit versus Lionel. Wait a minute. Lennon Lewis.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna put you out, Miss Page. This is the city of Detroit versus Lennon Eugene Lewis. Case number SP1902591. Mr. Lewis, state your name for the record, please. Lennon Lewis. You have to unmute yourself. I should have left Miss Page on there. Mr. Lennon Lewis, today is the day. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a review. I'm going to close your matter out and dismiss your case. You still owe the court a lot of money, but this case is dismissed because you paid it. Okay? I can't hear you. I don't know what you're saying, Mr. Lewis.
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you. I'm dismissing that one case, but you owe the court a lot of money on on all the other tickets, all right?
All right.
Can you hear me? Best of luck to you, Mr. Lewis.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Have a great day, Miss Page.
Okay, thank you. You have a good one.
Yeah, as well. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Fidel Lucci. Mr. Lucci, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Step up.
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea of blocking traffic for.
Okay, you want to take the deal, Mr. Lewis? Mr. Lucci?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
The speeding ticket, and of course, the remaining matter to be dismissed.
Stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, those stipulations, I'll find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for that speeding ticket. 175, when can you pay it?
Well, I could pay it on first of next month.
All right, you want to do community service or no?
No, sir.
All right, first of next
I'd
month.
like to pay.
Come back on, pay it by 9/8, September 8th. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, Mr. Lucci, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways you can pay it. Those are just the two best ways. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lucci, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get City of Detroit versus Dominique Loggins, case number SP 1455313, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1902721. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Loggins.
Dominique Loggins.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. You have to turn your camera on. Everybody's got to turn their camera on. All right, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a trial. Officer Nelson, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. It's Officer Brian Nelson, badge 3664, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you. Corporal Spidell appeared. Officer Criswell did appear. None of those other two officers are not here now. Ms. Loggins, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to work this out for you. If you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for the trial. Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Are we ready?
Yes.
And what's going to happen?
That's going to be a dismissal.
That's all I won't hear, whether she's cutting up or not. All right. City of Detroit versus Deja Marie Lindsay, case number SP 185-80401. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895, the application of Lindsay. Please state your full name for the record.
Good morning to you, Ms. Lindsay. Today is the date and time is set for a trial. I guess you've worked out a dismissal, right?
That's correct.
All right. You don't have any objection to that, do you? All right. All right. Case is dismissed per city attorney. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, Ms. Lindsay, and best of luck to you, okay? You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. I always interested on the disorderly conduct. Miss Villaroo, Elemental Page was not, you're free to leave. I'm sorry.
Okay. Oh, no worries, Your Honor. Thank you. You have a good day.
I'll see you soon, Ms. Villaroo.
Bye-bye. Yes, sir.
Bye-bye. This is the City of Detroit versus Charity Christina Lewis, case number SP 1919565, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1936679, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Charity Lewis.
All right, and Corporal Bennett, good morning to you. State your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Yeah, Corporal Bennett.
You know what I'm going to do with these, don't you, Corporal Bennett? I didn't hear him. He's breaking up.
I'm out of town, and it couldn't have connection. So
yeah, he's jet setting. He's jet setting. He always jet sets though. But I'm gonna still dismiss these cases, but I won't mark no officer. All right.
I'm good with that. Yeah, have a wonderful day.
Right. Where is the where are you off to now?
Actually, I'm in New Orleans with my grandkids and family.
Oh, good. All right. Well, she's got 3 more. Miss Harris, you want to arraign Miss Lewis on these 3 tickets, new tickets that she's gotten?
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond so you can disregard that August 18th date. There is if you want to deal with it now, there is no insurance, drove in an unsafe manner, and driving while license never acquired. Put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, and we'll pass the matter. And Corporal Bennett, be safe. Enjoy the rest of your trip with your family. and we will see you back soon, all right? I think Leah Lavender was trying to join.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. If she has an attorney. Let's go back on the record with Miss Charity Lewis. Miss Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Client is requesting a trial date.
Says you got it, you won that one, you might as well try it again, huh?
I mean, I got a lot going on. My license about to get turned off, so I use the money for my license instead.
Yes, you gotta prioritize. Trial, August the 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you, ma'am, and we'll be praying that you get your stuff together.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Does Leah Lavender have an attorney?
I know, it didn't appear to be.
Is there a phone number in the file?
No, it doesn't look like there's no summary or anything previous from you in the file. It looks like if you're looking at the reviews,
She's been here before.
yeah, she was here in February, it looks like, and then was scheduled. She was in the beginning of February, scheduled for the end of February, and did not appear, and then came in July because she had warrants and got scheduled for today, and then. I looked and the only other one, Green, paid, and then the other three did not.
I saw green.
You didn't print summaries, but
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Loggins. Ms. Loggins, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, all the matters are to be dismissed.
Ooh,
wow.
that's good. That's another Christmas gift in August.
He is.
Look at that
That's
smile.
a birthday gift for me.
What the birthday today?
No, it's next week.
That's a good birthday gift because that was a lot of money.
I appreciate it.
All right, I'll waive the warrant fees as well. Dismiss per city attorney. And we'll waive, that's just good lawyering by Mr. Berry, though. I gotta say that too. That's very good lawyering by Mr. Berry. All right, Ms. Loggins, happy birthday. Enjoy yourself. And your case is dismissed. I'll waive the warrant fees. Best of luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you, you as well.
Thank you. All right, I think that